Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Substack writer login problems, payment and access errors step by step clearly. If you are having trouble logging into Substack, follow these steps to resolve the issue. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable network. Next, ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. If you are still having issues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Open the settings in your browser and find the option to clear browsing data. Select cache and cookies, then confirm to clear them. After clearing, restart your browser and attempt to log in again. If you are using a password manager, ensure that it is filling in the correct details. Try disabling any browser extensions that might be interfering with Substack's login process. If the problem persists, attempt to log in using a different browser. You could also try using a private or incognito window. In case you experience payment errors, verify your payment method. Ensure that your credit or debit card is valid and not expired. Check if there are sufficient funds in your account to cover the payment. If you receive a payment error message, review the specific error details provided. Sometimes, a temporary glitch may occur. Waiting a few minutes before trying again can help. If none of these solutions work, consider reaching out to Substack's support team. Visit their help center for assistance with your login and payment issues. Provide any error messages you've encountered to expedite the process. Remain patient as they work through your problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login and payment issues with Substack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.